expansion. And I told you that because of a charge distribution, the potential will be written, and that potential will be sum of potential due to monopole, due to dipole, due to quadrupole, due to octopole, dash dash dash. किसी का on है mic क्या?
Is blur.
Hmm?
At least from my side, screen is blur.
Somebody's mic is on?
Sir, this now clear, sir.
What happened?
सर वो पहले ब्लर हो रहा था थोड़ा थोड़ा.
अच्छा, अभी ठीक है?
Yes,
Yes,
now
sir.
it is.
Okay. So this is the potential, and if you write this VR, this is, so write all the terms for monopole, dipole, quadrupole. So if I write this, it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Let me write it for monopole first of all. So it will be rho r dash d tau dash. So this will become Q, right? Charge, and integral rho r dash d dash is for the source charge. I mean, like if here charge is located, so I will use the coordinate dash for that, and it will be r here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught r integral rho d tau. So rho d tau will become charge, and charge by r will become potential. Okay, so you can take this as common. So let me put it like this. We can take this as common. So I will write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught as common. It will become 1 by r integral rho r dash d tau dash. So this is the monopole contribution. ठीक है? Then 1 by r square integral. So देखो dimensionally तो it will be rho d tau and r. Okay? अगर dimensionally देखा जाए तो it will be always charge by r. So here if r square has come, that means here 1 r will be there, r dash, and then cos theta, okay, rho r dash d tau dash. So this is monopole, this is dipole. Then 1 by r cube, here you will get 1 by r cube integral r dash square, and here you will get 1 by 2 3 cos square theta. Theta also you can put theta dash because of the source charge, and minus 1 rho r dash d tau dash, and plus other terms like this. So this is the contribution due to single charge, this is dipole, this is quadrupole, and similarly. And how we arrive to all of this? We arrive to all of this using the binomial expansion, and the binomial expansion gives the Legendre polynomials. So ये सारे ध्यान से देखोगे तो here 1 is coming, then cos theta, then so this is P0, P1, P2, all those terms are coming. So I can put the potential in the form of Legendre transformation, I mean Legendre polynomial. So let me put it like this: VR is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, okay, and summation n is equal to 0 to infinity 1 upon r to the power n plus 1 and integral r dash to the power n and pn cos theta into. Can I erase this now? This part into, so pn cos theta and then rho r dash d tau dash. So this is your potential. So जैसे जैसे इसके टर्म्स खुलते जाएंगे, because Legendre polynomial है, तो p0 cos theta will be equal to 1, p1 cos theta is equal to cos theta, p2 cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, 3 cos square theta minus 1. So like that, you will have other terms. Okay? समझ में आया? So these are
Yes,
the
sir.
terms for monopole, dipole, quadrupole, all the contributions in integral form. So I have written all this in integral form. So integral form कहाँ होगा? Where you will have continuous charges. Continuous charges, then you will use this integral form of the potential. So if this is alive, dependence will be 1 by r. If this is 0, this is alive, then dependence will be 1 by r square. If this is 0, this is 0, this is alive, then the dependence will be 1 by r cube. Next term, मैंने मिटा दिया. Okay? और यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको?
सर इंटीग्रेशन के अंदर हमेशा डैश टर्म्स ही आएंगे.
तो
But
डैश
so-
टर्म्स का मतलब है कि like suppose
source terms.
this is the charge system, this is the origin, and this is the point. Okay?
Okay.
So this charge system is at a distance r dash.
Okay.
This charge system from the origin is at distance r dash. And this charge, this point is at some distance r. Okay? So if this shifts to origin, अगर ये charge origin पे रखा हुआ है, then r dash and r will be same.
Yes.
Otherwise, they will be different. So note down, this is very important concept. Everybody understand this. सब लोग ध्यान से देखो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को, देखो समझ में आ रहा है? तो अगर ये चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अगर O पे पहुंच जाए तो R डैश और R क्या होंगे?
इक्वल होंगे.
They will become same. Okay?
सर कैसे समझ नहीं आया आर
भाई
डैश और इक्वल कैसे हो जाएंगे सर
फोटो बनाओ दूसरी.
यस सर ये डिस्टेंस आर रहेगा ना फिर पी और ओ में
और R डैश क्या होगा?
0 हो गया वो तो
तो r डैश ही r हो गया ना।
Okay.
जैसे मान लो एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड जरा वेट करना। तो ये डिस्टेंस मान लो r है, ठीक है। तो इसका ओरिजिन से डिस्टेंस r डैश है, सोर्स, दिस इज सोर्स, and if this itself comes at origin, then this will distance will become r. Okay, ठीक है, फोटो सही बना हुआ है। ओके हाँ बताओ, व्हाट वाज योर कंफ्यूजन?
Sir, when source is at origin, then r dash is equals to 0 now.
व्हेन सोर्स, अरे what is the
R dash should be 0
distance?
from
Suppose
origin.
from I mean source was at some different distance, so from source to point you will take capital R to
Yes,
write
so
the
this
potential.
capital R is equals to R.
This capital R will be used to write the potential.
Yes.
But once this source comes here, then this capital R and then small r will become same.
Yes, yes. Sir, आपने बोला था R dash is equals to R.
नहीं
So
नहीं
this
नहीं
is
नहीं
not possible,
नहीं
no?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, not that.
Yes.
If source is shifted from the origin, then r dash will be used to tell the position of the source. And
Yes.
once the source is at origin, then this r and this they will become same.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. तो ये क्लियर है सबको? अगर if the same thing happens, can I erase this? Everybody is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you take the discrete charge distribution, if you take discrete charge distribution, then what will happen? तो अभी इससे पहले कैसा चार्ज था? We had continuous
Continuous.
charge. So for discrete charge, monopole term will be capital Q, which will be just summation of all the charges. This is called monopole term. And the V monopole is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This is V monopole. ठीक है? Dipole. Dipole moment. So dipole moment कैसे calculate करेंगे? This is like monopole moment. That is just total charge. Dipole moment will be
Q into two, distance between
P
two
is
charges.
equal to summation I and Ri Qi. This is dipole moment. And Ri is the Ri vector.
Sir, Ri is the distance between two charges.
No,
In the-
Ri is the position vector of the point charge. This is the general definition of dipole moment. Like if you consider two charges, suppose this is origin and this charge is Q and this charge is minus Q, okay? And this is Z axis. This distance is D, this distance is again D. So for such a system, if I want to write dipole moment, please see this carefully, everybody. Then it will be Qi means charge into its position vector. So that will be D K cap plus minus Q into D minus K cap. देखो समझ आता है?
Yes, sir.
Then it will become P QD here K cap plus QD K cap. So that's why P is equal to 2Q D and K cap. So this is one of the dipole moments. This is not the general formula. Please understand this. Sometimes you have only seen this, that charge and to distance between the positive and negative charge. So you misinterpret dipole moment from that. This is ideal dipole, some ideal dipole, where this distance is very small and two charges are separated. Otherwise, if there are many charges, we will just apply P is equal to QI and RI. समझ में आ रही है बात? Suppose ऐसे ही और भी charges होते तो उसको भी add कर लेते. That would give you net dipole moment.
Okay, sir.
सभी लोग ध्यान से देखो और if there is any doubt, please ask.
सर डाइपोल में और भी चार्जेस मतलब सर दो ही चार्ज होते हैं ना डाइपोल में तो?
वो एक तरीके का डाइपोल है जो आप जानते हो.
Thank you, sir.
यहाँ लिख दिया ना मैंने. So if there are many charges, you see what I have written here. Yes or no?
Yes.
So P is equal to summation. When this two charge dipole is there, then this is the dipole moment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let me take another one to just make you understand. Let me take a problem. Suppose this is the system, okay? So what is monopole moment? It is summation qi. That means 3q minus 2q plus q minus 2q. So what is monopole moment? Zero. Okay. What is the dipole? Dipole moment. P is equal to summation I. क्या बताया था? QI RI. तो एक एक करके लिखो. P is equal to, first of all, do this.
3QA K cap.
And one thing I want to tell, that if monopole is zero, then dipole can be calculated using any point as an origin. Will you write this? If monopole is zero, then dipole can be calculated by taking any point as an origin. It will not be depending on the origin. But I am taking origin as O only. So let us take 3Q into A K cap plus minus 2Q into J cap A J cap plus minus 2Q A minus J cap plus Q into A into minus K cap. So what we got is 2QA K cap, and here it will cancel, no?
Yes, sir.
So only this much is the dipole moment. You take any other point as origin, you will get the same answer. तो समझ आया? जो पहले सोच रहे थे 2 ही चार्ज से डाइपोल मोमेंट निकलेगा. ओके. Everybody understood this?
Yes, sir.
And don't forget that charge in every case, continuous case, can be written as lambda dl, sigma dA, and rho d tau. So if I have written only rho d tau, that means these two can also be written always. Is it okay? तो यहाँ तक समझ गए सभी लोग? Everybody understood this?
Sir, how can we take origin anywhere?
How nahi? You can take origin anywhere. You can
Sir,
take
if we
this
take
as
origin anywhere,
origin, this origin, this as origin, this as origin, and this is already origin.
yes, so the distance parameter is also changed or not?
Ha. What do you
Yes,
mean? What do you mean by distance
मतलब
parameter? Then every
means
distance.
A.
What do you mean by that?
मीन सर एट 2Q
Hmm.
अगर हम 2Q पे origin लें तो A चेंज हो जाएगा ना? It means the distance between 3Q and minus 2Q is root 2A.
क्या कह रहे हो? फिर से बोलो.
Sir, if we take origin at minus 2Q.
हाँ, ये origin हो गया. तो अब
Yes.
सारी distance यहाँ से नापी जाएंगी.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
यही था. So, sir,
Hmm.
if we calculate dipole moment from origin at minus 2Q, now the distance is between minus 2Q and 3Q is root 2A.
So P will be, you start from this point, okay?
Yes.
So minus 2Q into 0 plus. Now these will be vectors actually like this, okay? Like this. So they will become little, but it's okay. So it will be minus 2Q into this vector, okay? Let me
Yes.
call this as some distance is A, and the unit vector as, let me call this as some, let's name them O, A, B, and C, okay? So it will be OA cap, OA cap plus, what next? Minus 2Q into 2A into Y cap.
सर ये वो ए कैप में थी क्यों होगा ना?
O A cap में 3Q होगा. Yes, charge is 3Q.
साइन भी प्लस आएगा शायद.
हाँ, sin भी plus है. Okay, and plus this is minus 2Q and the distance is 2A Y cap, okay? And plus Q into A into
OC cap.
OC cap. This will be the net result which you will get this, huh?
सर रूट 2A नहीं आएगा? ओ A क्यों आएगा?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I am sorry. ये
Root
distance A.
2A.
Actually ये लिखा हुआ था, मैंने इसको पढ़ लिया. So this is A, this is root 2A, okay? Root 2A. And this is also root 2A, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Root 2A. So so let me, this is 0 and you have 3q root a OA cap and minus 4q y cap, correct?
I think root 2a, not root a.
You have taken root A. It is root 2A.
Root 2a, root 2a. And here what I have written, root a, root 2a. Root 2a,
Sir,
3,
actually a is outside the root.
ha, right, what I am doing. Root 2a, okay, like this, root 2a. So root 2a, 3q root 2a. Now it's okay. OA cap and minus 4q y cap,
A should be there.
4q ay cap,
A.
ay cap. And what else? Plus root 2, let me write it like this, q root 2 a OC cap. This we have to manage, huh?
Yes.
So please see this. Actually, this vector, I could have broken like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I will write 3q. This vector, I will write what? A y cap plus
AZ cap.
a j cap, k cap.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? And minus 4q a y cap plus q root 2 this vector. This vector I will break as this vector and this vector. So this vector will be q. बताओ भाई. A y cap
Minus
minus a k cap.
J cap. Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? Now you add all this, you will get this. Triangle law. So actually this time change of origin make it little difficult. Sometimes change in of origin will make it very simple. The previous net exam has one question in which change of origin had made the question very simple. I have made a video on it. You can see that on YouTube. Huh? आ गया या नहीं आ गया? Same.
Yes, sir. आ गया.
आ रहा है सर.
तो ये किसने पूछा था?
It's me.
हाँ नयन, समझ आया? Change of origin.
Yes, sir.
But this is only possible when total charge was 0. If
Yes.
total charge is not 0, then you can't change origin. If you do that, you will get a different answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
सर
हम्म.
टोटल चार्ज 0 होगा तब भी ऐसा क्यों? मतलब सिमेट्रिक सिस्टम हो जाती है इसकी वजह से या फिर Reason क्या है?
That can be proved, but what you can do, you can prove it. Okay, you shift the origin and total charge is 0. You can prove it that nothing will happen.
Okay, sir.
You can prove it mathematically. Actually वो जो term आती है change करने से वो आती है that total charge into that position vector, and if total charge is 0 then that term will become 0. Okay, see it in Griffiths if you are interested. So now discrete problems we have done, and now some continuous problems I have to discuss, in which I will take different systems and calculate monopole, dipole, and quadrupole. Okay, so वो मैं वन गो में करना चाहता हूँ ताकि कोई कंफ्यूजन ना रहे, एक बार में ही वो सारी चीजें। आई विल डिस्कस इट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास। ओके, तो अभी तक कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो। Now we are very close to finish electrostatics, so keep on revising. I will take a complete test on electrostatics. Okay, चलो फिर, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.